OpenSea is the largest NFT marketplace in the world, offering an extensive collection of digital assets across multiple categories, like art, music, and virtual worlds. The platform allows users to buy, sell, and trade NFTs in a decentralized environment. Upon visiting the site, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface that makes navigating through thousands of NFT listings easy. To get started, you'll need to connect a cryptocurrency wallet such as MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet, which will allow you to interact with the marketplace and make transactions. Once your wallet is connected, you can start browsing through various NFT collections or use the search bar to find specific items. Each NFT listing provides detailed information about the item, including the creator, price, and transaction history. You can filter the results by price, popularity, or even rarity to help you find what interests you most. If you want to purchase an NFT, you simply need to click on the listing, review the details, and make an offer or buy it immediately if the price suits you. After your purchase, the NFT will appear in your wallet, where you can view and manage it. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. OpenSea's features also include auctions, where creators can list their NFTs for bidding, and you can either place bids or buy them instantly depending on the auction type. Furthermore, OpenSea supports multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Polygon, and Claim, making it a highly versatile platform for NFT transactions. It also has a community-driven approach, where you can interact with creators, collectors, and enthusiasts through its messaging system and social media integration. OpenSea provides advanced tools for creators to mint and sell their NFTs, including customizable royalties and creator contracts. Whether you are a seasoned collector or new to the NFT space, OpenSea offers a comprehensive solution for discovering, buying, and selling NFTs on the blockchain. It's a one-stop shop for anyone interested in the digital collectibles market, offering both ease of use and powerful features. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like.